Today we're going to learn how to replace Direct Manager after the process of evaluation had begun and the evaluation form was filed. But for one reason or another, the Direct Manager who filled the form in the first place need to be replaced with new Direct Manager for one or group of employees. We begin by creating two .csv files. One file will be used to invite the new Direct Manager, and the second one will be used to connect new Direct Manager with existing employees. To create that CSV file, we would need to use Excel program and fill the table as follows. In column A, we would need to type in password. In column B, last name of new Direct Manager. In column C, first name. In column D, email. In column E, role. In F, department code. In G, department. In H, job code. In I, job title. And in J, Direct Manager email. This is Direct Manager email of the manager of a Direct Manager, meaning so this is can be an HR executive or whoever the Direct Manager that we are currently talking about is answering to. So that's not the email of Direct Manager by himself, but his superior. So once information is embedded, we would need to delete top line with indication of column names. We will not need them in the final .csv file. So once it's deleted, we would need to go to File menu, and from drop-down menu choose Save As, and then you can give any name to the file. But in the file format, it is important to choose Windows separated .csv. After that, you need to click Save. So now we just created a file that is going to be used for the invite of the new Direct Manager into evaluation portal. And now we're going to create a second .csv file that is going to be used to connect new Direct Manager with existing employees. For that, we are going back to Excel program, and in the first column, we would need to type in email of employees, existing employees that already exist inside of the evaluation portal. And then in the second column, we're going to type in the email of new Direct Manager that we actually going to invite shortly here into the evaluation portal. So you would need to continue embedding information for each employee on the separate line. In the first column, you type in their email, and in the second, the new Direct Manager. So that's have to be matching. For every employee, there have to be that Direct Manager. So after that, we would need to delete the top line. We would need to go back to File menu, click on File menu, and then again you can give any name to the file, but it would be important from the format drop-down menu to choose Windows separated .csv extension, and after that click Save button. So we just created and prepared two .csv files. Once that is completed, we would need to go back to our LinkandTrain program, and then we would need to log in inside of the evaluation portal. So once we are inside of the evaluation portal, from the top portal menu, we need to choose Invite and Share icon. From Invite and Share drop-down menu, we would need to choose New User or Group option. So once you do that, invite new user or group window will be open. You would need to choose advanced group folder. Then you would need to press select .csv file button. From Open File Browser window, choose .csv file with information about New Direct Manager. Then you would need to click Open button. .csv file will be uploaded and opened in the table in the system. It is important at this stage to match columns names in the open table with actual information that will be displayed under them. For example, in the column 1, it have to be password. So if you click on it, it's your information can be different, but that's what you need to do. You need to change that to match information below. So in the second one would be last name, the third one first name, and for references you may choose to compare it with the column names initially created inside of your Excel program. So once you've done that, you would need to click Add button. So confirmation window will be open and you would need to click Yes button. So file will be added to the portal and you would need to click Continue button. So evaluation process window will be open and you would need to find the old direct manager by selecting his or her name from Select Manager drop-down menu or using a search bar to find that that person, that direct manager in the system. So once all direct manager is chosen or found, the list of all of his or her active employees will be populated inside of evaluation process window. In our example, we're just changing the direct managers for one employee. If there would be few employees, all of them will be listed here. So in the table, each record of the employee is ending with the green delete button. So right now we would need to delete all the processes by clicking green delete button for each employee. So delete process window will be open and you will need to click delete button. So now you are back to evaluation portal and there would be no employees. If there will be more employees, you will delete each one of them. So from the left menu, main menu on the left, you would need to select Manage Community drop-down menu. From drop-down menu, you would need to select Accounts. Accounts window will be open and you would need to select All Users or Status drop-down menu, and from that drop-down menu you need to choose All Users. List of all users will be opened. Click on Add Accounts button. Add Accounts window will be open. Select Advanced Group folder. Click on Select.csv file. From the file browser window, choose .csv file containing email of employees and their new direct manager. Click Open. So file will be uploaded into the system, and in the first drop-down menu you would need to choose email, just matching what was before. So in the second drop-down menu you need to choose dmanager email. So click Add Accounts button. Confirmation window will be open and you would need to click Yes button and then you will click Continue button. From the left main menu, select Open Portal. So now you're back to the portal. In the evaluation process window, click on Start Process button. Start Process window will be open and will be populated with list of users. So in our case we have only one, but if there would be a list of users, you would just need to hold the Shift button on your keyboard and select all users at once, and then you will have to click Press Start button. So process is reinstated with a new direct manager and you do not need to redo the form. New manager now can log in into the system and review the form and manually replace the name of the old direct manager with his own. To change the name on the form, new direct manager simply will have to navigate to the name field on the form titled Reporting Person and type in his name. After that, he will have to click Save button. Why this need to be done manually? Because as our legal department explained, if the system automatically will change the name over the nodes that belong to another person, we will be legally responsible for any consequences of such functionality. We thank you for your attention and hope you have a wonderful day. Thank you.